Keto Chow's got a brand new flavor. It is banana bread. It makes an incredible milkshake, but it's gonna make some even better banana bread muffins. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna make these Keto Chow banana bread flavor muffins. These things are going to be incredible. Let me show you what we got going on. 8 ounces of cream cheese is gonna go into the microwave to be softened up for 1 minute. Add our softened cream cheese to the bowl of a stand mixer, or you could use a large bowl and a hand mixer, whatever works for you. I'm also gonna melt 8 tablespoons of butter. Our melted butter goes in with the cream cheese. I'm gonna use my paddle attachment to combine this. You could use a whisk attachment, you could use hand mixers, whatever you want. You need to combine this thoroughly. Now with the mixer running on low, I'm gonna add 8 large eggs, one at a time. I'll let them fully combine before I add the next one. Now I'm gonna add 3 packets of this Keto Chow banana bread. You could use 2, I think 3 is gonna be just a little bit better. So we're gonna use 3 packets of Keto Chow. We're just gonna scrape down the sides. Also gonna add a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I don't use baking powder or measuring spoons very often, but today I'm going to. We're gonna do 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. And we'll keep mixing. I'm just gonna add about 1/4 cup of cream, mix that in, and then I'm gonna turn this up on pretty close to high and mix this real thoroughly. Totally optional, but if you want it a little bit sweeter and you want to increase the browning, you can add in a few tablespoons of allulose. It helps. Then I'm just gonna scrape down the sides one more time, and then we're gonna mix it one more time, make sure it is thoroughly combined, and we can go ahead and make our muffins. A pastry brush with some melted lard or melted butter or something similar to grease our muffin tins is a great idea. I'm gonna link these silicone muffin tins down below because they're extremely easy to use. Now we just gotta fill up the muffin tin. We should get 12 to 16 muffins depending on how much you put in. This would be a great time if you have some nuts that you would like to add to sprinkle those over the top, or if you're like me and you have some Lily's chocolate chips nearby with no sugar, this is a great time to add them on top. These go into a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for probably somewhere around 15 minutes, but we'll check and I'll let you know how long mine take. While those are baking, I'm putting 4 ounces of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of butter into a microwave for 30 seconds. I'm going to use my hand mixer and mix these two together until they're completely combined. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of allulose. Any powdered keto sweetener will be fine. And then we're going to mix that really well. We'll set this aside until the muffins are done. So these took about 24 minutes to be done, but a toothpick comes out of the center nice and clean. These are ready to come out. We're going to let them cool, and then we'll put our cream cheese topping on. All right, y'all, we're gonna try out these Keto Chow banana bread flavored muffins with the little cream cheese topping and the Lily's chocolate chips. Are you excited about these?
Am I excited? Yes, I'm very excited.
I figured
I've
so.
been drooling. Like, since you told me that this is what we were filming today, I've been drooling. Yeah. I love muffins. I love Keto Chow. We also had a shake, though, actually, of this flavor. Mm-hmm. And I think it's actually by far my favorite flavor, just having it in a shake.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited to see what you did with muffins.
We'll see what she thinks of these Keto Chow banana bread muffins.
Do I get to dive in?
You get to dive in.
Can I ask a question? Are you the muffin man? Okay, well, for starters, they're super cute. Leave me with these. Man, that is tasty.
Those are good.
They're so good. So good. I love the banana bread flavor. The cream cheese icing on top is a super nice little add-on. Very cool. I love that you added the Lily's chocolate chips into this. I mean, this is like very nostalgic. I love banana bread, or like growing up, my Nana would make like banana nut bread. I haven't had it in years and years and years. And I love the fact that this is like a nice little treat that I can have and not feel completely guilty. I cannot get over how great this flavor is of the banana bread Keto Chow did. It is awesome. Gives it just like that nice warm chocolatey goodness, and your cream cheese icing. I mean, it's a win, babe. Like, these are super, super good. Like, this is what I would call a tasty and delicious treat.
This is probably my favorite Keto Chow flavor that we've had.
I think so too.
I like a lot of their flavors, but this one is just particularly good. It's also very different than a lot of the other kinds of stuff that I can sort of replicate with other things if we decide to have a keto treat or whatever. Banana bread is a very difficult thing to try to figure out how to replicate in a low carb way, because bananas are so high carb. So this is really cool. And this tastes absolutely fantastic. And I agree. I think that cream cheese icing topping, whatever you want to call that, is just the icing on the muffin, as it were.
The icing on the muffin. I see what you did there, Muffin Man. I cannot believe how good the flavor of this banana bread Keto Chow is. I mean, it is seriously awesome. And it tastes so terrible and so bad that I'm going to eat another muffin while we're filming, because these are so terrible. But
there you go. Well, guys, that's the Keto Chow banana bread flavor. I was super excited when they sent this to us. And as soon as we tested one of them as a shake, I was like, man, I know exactly what we need to do with this. These are amazing. My link is going to be down below. I'm also going to put it up in the corner of the screen for you there, so you can click on that. You can get yourself some Keto Chow with a discount. Tell them Chris Cookin' Nashville sent you by using my link and my discount code, and you can order yourself some banana bread flavored Keto Chow and have some banana bread muffins. And this is a limited time flavor, I believe, so it's probably going to be gone quick, because it's really, really good. I'm glad we still have some in the closet ready to go, because we're going to have to make some more of these.
We're going to need to stock up. Make a phone call. I'm gonna need more of that in my life.
That's
These
right.
are so good. I need more.
That's right. I'm going to send a message to Lynette. Hey, how do I get more of that Keto Chow
Yeah.
banana bread? My links are all there for you guys. Go get yourself some Keto Chow. You can also use that on the salty electrolytes, which we have every single day. All of the other products they have that we really highly recommend. They're just great people and their stuff is great. It also makes something like this, if you want to have a special keto treat, a whole lot less guilty than if you went to the store and got that junk that we all used to eat. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is Chris Cook in Nashville. My beautiful wife, Ash Taylor. You guys eat your meat, sometimes your Keto Chow banana bread muffins. Love your life. We're going to see you here in the kitchen for the next recipe. And if you like this recipe, you should check out my Keto Chow butter muffins with strawberry over here.
My mouth is full, so I didn't want to say bye and show everyone what I was eating. Man, you are the muffin man.
Yep.
Do you live on Drury Lane?
No.
Oh,